What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. In today's video, y'all, I got some weekly deals that's going on at Walgreens right now. Y'all, I've been out looking around and going to different places, seeing all types of clearance stuff. And right now, if y'all don't know, Home Depot has clearance items as far as, well, I'm gonna show y'all in the video. I'm gonna just keep it show y'all in the video. And one more thing, one of the winners sadly did not get back with me on the Walmart gift card, so it is up for grabs. I already did the auto generated picker from my comments, and I got a winner, and I will be announcing it in the video in a little while, so stay tuned for that. And before we get into this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. So with that being said, let's get into these Walgreens deals. Okay, y'all. On the first transaction I did, I kept it real simple, kept it real light. But this first transaction on these Listerines Day, I buy one get one 50%, get two of them, get a $4 register reward back. And on one of these, it had like a little hanging coupon for $1 off, and in the Walgreens app it was $1 off, so I got $1 off each one. So one was $9.99 with $1 off, making it $8.99. The second one was $4.99 because it was 50% off with that dollar off, making it $3.99. So the total was $12.98. Paid that, get back a $4 register reward, making both of these $8.98 or $4.49 each. Then on the Crest items, it's basically buy two, get a $4 register reward back. So the mouthwash was $7.50 and the toothpaste was $5, totaling $12.50. We had $4 coming off, making both of these $8.50. Get a $4 register reward back, and it'll make both of them $4.50 or $2.25 each. So there you have it on the two oral care products. So the total after coupons for these four items was $21.48. I got back $8 register rewards, making all four of these $13.48 or $3.37 each. Nothing hard that I did. I didn't use no Walgreens cash, no extra register reward or nothing. Just straight coupons from the Walgreens app and my phone number. That is about it. Now let's get into the second transaction. Okay, y'all, here is my second transaction. Okay, y'all, starting off with the Dawn dishwashing liquid. It was on sale for $3.99. Didn't have no coupons or nothing. Then on the Tide Simplies, they were four for $10, so I got four of these. And these, y'all, are good to purchase if you are trying to get stocked up on your stockpile. So I purchased four of these. Then the dryer sheets, they are 4 for $10, so I just mixed and matched. But you can get 4 of the Bounce, 4 of the Gain, whatever the case may be. And these are also good items to get you stocked up on your stockpile when you are able to buy multiple items for cheap. 4 for $10 is not a bad price on these, y'all. So, With this transaction, since none of these items had coupons, I used two $4 register rewards that I got back from that first transaction, and then I had a $5 register reward already that was expiring today. So that's the reason why I went to Walgreens also. So I used $13 in register rewards, and my out of pocket was $10.99, making each item $1.22, y'all. I wasn't playing with these people today in Walgreens, y'all. I wanted to do the deals, but I did not feel like paying high out of pocket today. So $10.99 for all of this stuff, making each item $1.22. And y'all know I don't discuss tax because everybody's tax is different, and we would just be here forever if I went over everybody's taxes in each state. So we're not doing that. But let me show y'all the last transaction from Walgreens. Then I'm going to show y'all some clearance items that Home Depot has, and announce this winner for this $50 Walmart gift card. Okay, here is my last transaction from Walgreens. Then I will be announcing this winner and then showing y'all some Home Depot clearance. So, for starters, I got these Venus razors. They were $9.79. We have a $4 coupon coming off, making them $5.79. Yeah, they was $9.79 with four. I don't know if I said that. $9.79 with $4 off, making them $5.79. Then I had got these Q-tips along with these cotton rims, because for some reason, y'all, I be getting these. My kids be using these daggone things up. So we got a dollar off coupon in the Walgreens app, and it's taking $1 off for each one you get. So the Q-tips was $4.99 with $1 off, making them $3.99, and these cotton rounds was $4.49 with $1 off, making them $3.49. Dang, they do not want to stay up. They don't want you to see them. Okay, then on the Scotch Out, amazing deal, stock up deals, especially if you got multiple Walgreens apps. But check this out. So I got two of the $5 Scott toilet paper, two of the towel paper. So y'all know two of the toilet papers is $10, right? So we got a $1.25 coupon in the Walgreens app, and the $1.25 is coming off each uh toilet paper. So basically $10 take away $2.50. That's making both of them $7.50. But then we got a 2 off of 2 coupon as well, taking $2 off of $7.50, making both of these $5.50 or $2.75 each. And it's the same on the towel paper. $1.25 is coming off each one, and then $2 on top of that is coming off. So basically, all four of these toilet paper and the towel paper was $11, y'all. $11 for all four of these. So the total after the coupons and stuff came off for these items was $27.46, making each item $3.92. Yes, y'all, I killed it at Walgreens today. Like I said, I did not feel like paying no expensive prices for stuff, because I've been doing that all week. I mean, I've been clearance shopping and getting deals, but I mean, I really wanted to get the deals today. So that's what that is. And the winner of let me look at my sheet now. because I had wrote it down because I had to go online and do a generator so it'll be fair. The winner of the Walmart $50 card is Martha Morris. 4879 Martha Morris. So can you please go to my Facebook Messenger, and even if you don't got Facebook Messenger, you can even comment in this video how I'm gonna be able to get this gift card to you, because it's on it's not a physical card, but I do need to give you the barcode, send you the barcode and the numbers or whatever, because you can use this in store, online, or whatever, and it's for $50. Martha Morris 4879. You are the winner of Walmart $50 gift card. Thank you for being a subscriber and a loyal watcher, if you want to say it that way. I don't know. But y'all, let me show y'all these Home Depot items real fast. And they might be cheaper in your part of town. Who knows? Look it up in the Home Depot app and you will see. But let me show y'all. Okay, y'all, here is some clearance items from Home Depot. And like I said, in your area, because I've been seeing this, certain people been posting, some of the stuff is cheaper than mine's is. So like I said, you can pull up some of these items in your Home Depot app and like just switch the stores around and all of that stuff, and it'll tell you. But the thing is, the items on hand, that you would either have to call or go to the actual store and see how many they have, because they might say they got 10, but when you get there, it might be 2 or 1 left. So just be on your P's and Q's with that. But we're going to start off with these Tide. It's the original pods, and it's a 76 count. They was $12.06, y'all. And these are like normally like $19, $20. And then, and bear with me, y'all, because I'm looking out for receipts so I can make sure y'all are getting the right price. Okay, these Cascade 34 count, the platinum, and it's fresh scent. They was $8.46 each. Then we got these Airwicks, and it's the Deep Blue Sea and Beechwood. They were let me see on her. $4.56. $4.56. And y'all know they usually are higher than that. Then we got the Lysol. It was $3.56 for this 2-pack. And it is on clearance, and it's the Fresh Clean Gel. And then these Home Depot garbage bags was not on clearance, but they were a reasonable price. They are $9.97 for 140 bags, 13 gallon. You cannot beat that at all for $9.97. And like I said, this wasn't clearance, but it was a must-have. Then I got one more thing to show y'all from Home Depot, and then we are gonna end this video. Okay, y'all, these was $8.76, and original price in Home Depot for these, I think it's like $14, almost $15. So $8 for 12 rows of Scott, the 1,000 sheets per row brand or whatever, is ridiculous. So Keep Home Depot in mind, and like I said, you can go on the app and check to see what is clearance in your area, and basically just search it. Like in the search bar, put Tide Pods and then scroll, and you'll probably see it'll say special buy or clearance, and you click on it and it'll show you the price at the bottom, how much it is in that particular store. And some people got they got the 25 count of the Oxy ones of these for like $8 or $9. So that's not bad at all for these 12 and $8. So yeah. Okay, y'all. So this is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. And like I said, the winner for the $50 gift card is Martha Morris 4879. Don't miss out on your chance. Message me on Facebook with a hey, hello, and I will send you your gift card information. And if you don't got Facebook Messenger, please leave me a comment in the YouTube app so we can see how you gonna get your gift card. And if you do not hit me up about this gift card in 24 hours, Martha, I'm sorry. I will be giving it to someone else. So you got 24 hours. And I will see y'all in the next video. I'm out, y'all. Peace.